Hello and welcome. My name is Nicholas from the Office Superheroes channel. In today's video, we're going to show you how to quickly and easily hide grids in an entire spreadsheet or a selected area in Excel. Shall we get started? If we want to hide a grid in an entire table, we need to go to the View tab, and we deselect Grid Lines. The grid will immediately disappear from our spreadsheet. We now have a clean and white spreadsheet. If we wanted to put the grid back, we'll simply just go to the View tab, and we'll check the Grid Lines option. Now the grid is back on throughout the entire spreadsheet, which makes it easier for us to navigate through the cells. If we needed to remove the grid from just a selected area of the table, we do it simply. For example, we don't want the grid to be displayed in the Animals column now. We select the area from which we want to remove the grid. We go to the Home tab, and using the Fill Color function, change the background color to white. With this background color change, no grids are visible. We're done. It was a piece of cake, wasn't it? If you found this video tutorial helpful, let us know via like or comment. Want to learn how to work better with Excel? If so, then be sure to subscribe so you don't miss any more videos. Thank you for watching this video, and I hope to see you in the next video.